What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing a game called, I have no idea what it's called, but if we go to, it looks pretty good, but I think it's called, okay, it's called FNAF 2 Fazbear's Re-Established. So the game's still loading in. It says 9 p.m. Pizzeria closed. Oh, there must be Freddy. Oh, crap. Okay, so let's just press play. And if you guys don't know me, I'm a big fan of FNAF. If you guys don't know by now. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is my avatar. Okay, why is it really glitchy? I don't like that. I don't like that, but anyway, into this video, we'll just be checking out different FNAF Roblox games. I know one of my friends will obviously love this. Do we just tap on them and we get to beat them? We got Shadow Bonnie, we got Shadow Marionette, Mangle, Bonnie, Freddy, Chica, Balloon Boy. I think that's Shadow Marionette. Either that or it's, I don't know. Oh, we got Foxy over here. That looks like either Wrecked Bonnie or Phantom Bonnie. No, that's Phantom Bonnie. No, that's either, yeah, Phantom Bonnie. We got Freddy with the exoskeleton. We got old Freddy, old Chica, old Freddy again without the freaking animatronic, old Foxy, and then I think that's Shadow Bonnie. So this is kind of cool. Okay, so it's not glitch anymore. It is. Caution, watch your hands and fingers. Yeah, you don't want to get caught in that. Okay, it's a little glitchy, but I don't mind it. But I don't know what to do. So this is, I think we started at 6. So, oh, this is the FNAF 2 restaurant, I think. When you finally killed Afton, but you think, how about how you died? Okay. Oh, that's some nice fan art. I like that. Alright, sorry if it's glitchy, you guys. Again, I'm not using a really good screen recording app, but I mean, it's the best I can do to get you guys some Roblox videos. Oh yeah, the new Fortnite season comes out tomorrow. I will be obviously making a video on that. Obviously, what day it comes out, morning I wake up, I will be getting my camera and filming me downloading the update. What else? I don't know. Watching the trailer, getting the battle pass. I heard it's a Marvel themed, which is pretty awesome. New one to the new spring, the pit event, new spring, Bonnie event, more difficult. Okay. So let's look, we're in the party. Woo! That scared the crap out of me. Okay, I think we're starting. It's 12 a.m. Scared the crap out of me. Jesus Christ. Might shift. Turn that down a little bit. Okay, I don't know what to do here. Okay, I'm gonna follow everyone else. So, okay, everyone's in this room. Okay, they become their animatronic. I'm gonna go for Bonnie. Oh! Whoa. Okay, why am I? Okay, here we go. Night vision. Holy crap. Oh. Open. Oh, no. Okay, this game's pretty cool. I like it already. Okay, we got Mangle. The busted down Mangle. The Mangle. Okay, we need night vision for this crap. Alright, here we go. Bro, this animation looks kind of good. Okay. Hey, look, it's me. Toy Chica. Alright, I'm gonna roleplay this guy. Oh, it's a new spring Bonnie. Oh, crap. Oh, snap. Okay. Kill. My God. Okay, this one's kind of fire. I like it. So if you guys do want to play this game, oh, there's me. So if you guys do want to play this game, it is called FNAF 2 Fazbear's Re-Established. So just link in the description, I guess. Kill away. Jump scare my guy. Okay, so now we're gonna go on to the next FNAF fan game. I will see you all when we get there. Alright guys, so we are in the new FNAF game. We are in FNAF Original Trilogy. I don't know how I keep forgetting. So yeah, FNAF the Original Trilogy roleplay. So this is FNAF the Original Trilogy roleplays your favorite FNAF characters from FNAF 1 through 3. Okay. Let's see what else they got going here. FNAF the Original Trilogy. Okay, it's Chica. Is that it? Is this the picture? Oh, here you guys. Where fantasy and fun comes to life. That's what phone guy says. Okay. Oh. Alright guys, so I'm just looking at, I don't know how anything. Alright guys, so we are now back into a new FNAF game. I know you guys can check the time, but it's in like an hour, like 45 minutes later. Just because I take a break, watch TV, you know. Happens sometimes, but yeah. Now we're in the new one. This looks like FNAF. Oh, there we go. 1985. Okay. Play. I'm gonna be animatronic. Okay, kind of like the last. I want to be Spring Bonnie. Oh, what? Why am I invisible? Oh, there we go. Oh. Bro. My. Okay, I don't know what these do. I can't read. Oh, deactivate. Oh, Jesus. Scared me. Oh. Okay. Alright, so that's that. I don't know why the birds are chirping, but yeah. Can't tell if it's a real thing, but, you know, let's just perform here with them. I'm gonna deactivate. Let's get this guy. Ready? Come at me, Scrub. I can't move. This game is broken. Alright, whatever. Let's go on to the next one. Alright, so we're on this one's called FNAF Help Wanted RP. It's supposed to be a VR game, like a real VR game, but it says roblox on him. We'll see how close they get to. So already we have a flashlight and a Freddy mask. You can tell by the breathing. Oh. So the game's loading in. Okay, there's music. Okay, I'm gonna turn the music off. Just cause I don't want to get copyright strike. Alright, that's better. Alright, sorry guys. I know. Oh my god, this guy. Oh my gosh, turn that music off. Hey! I don't want to be paying money right now. Okay, I'm gonna go to... Where's the... FNAF 3. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we only have Phantom Freddy. Are you kidding? Oh, someone's already Phantom Freddy. You're joking, right? Okay, FNAF 1, my favorite FNAF game. Nope. Hey, get it? Oh, Freddy looks so cute though. Okay. Okay, what else we got? Towel cap. Chest. Well, I might need to just put the music on for a second just to listen to the sound. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Too loud. Okay, now let's hear it. Okay, and the laugh would be right? I didn't hear anything. Yeah, I can hear it kind of. Okay. What the frick? Okay, the voices, I gotta admit, my headphones, glitch. I like the song, though, let's just play it. Oh. Okay, so, really? Okay, what if I just go and reference this? Okay. Oh! Well, what? Okay. Hey! is lit. Okay, so thank you all so much for watching this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.